Hello guys, now I'm going to be talking about regular verbs and irregular verbs. I know this is not your typical video that you see me and I talk to you, but you can see when I'm writing. So basically a regular verb is a verb that follows standard patterns in its inflections. So the past tense of a regular verb is formed by adding an ed at the end. Okay? So basically I'm here writing the definition short from a regular verb, and you're going to be seeing how it will work when you have a regular verb. Basically, a regular verb, for you to make it more easier, is when you have it in past tense. Okay, so that's why it's going to be added ed at the end. That should be a regular verb. Okay, I'm going to give you here some example. We have here walk. Sorry, my iPad is a little bit slow, and when I type it doesn't get it the fast that I want, and my patience is not that good, so I'm sorry. But yeah, so we have walk and we have walked. Okay, that's the past tense. And then we have shout, and then we have shout. Shout. It's not that easy to recognize when you're saying it, but it's easier for you to recognize when you see it on a paper. Okay, so now I should be writing the sentence, like, yeah, whenever I want. Okay, so, okay, I'm not, okay. So yeah, I should be writing the sentence that I'm going to be giving as a sample. Okay, there I have it. I walk a mile. Okay, that's in present. And we know that the subject is I, and the verb will be walk. Okay, so now I'm going to the past tense. Okay, that's the regular verb. I walked a mile. So we have there that I is the subject and walked in past is the regular verb, but is in the past tense. Okay, and now we're going to be working with the irregular verb. Okay, this one is a little bit tricky, so you need to pay attention, and if you have any questions or doubt, you need to tell me, because it's a little bit tricky, and if you don't know how it works, it's going to give you a headache. So let's go. An irregular verb is a verb in which the past tense is not formed by adding the usual ed at the end. Okay, so in this case we are not going to be adding when we want to say a word in the past tense. You are not going to add the ed at the end. Okay, so don't be comfortable with like the regular verbs that you're going to have the ed at the end. Okay, in this case we are not having that. Is totally different. So we have here, sorry, I'm talking too fast and I'm writing too slow. So yeah, sorry, but I'm here. So yeah, let's give it a sec till I finish at the end. Okay, period. Okay, so now we have the sample. I wrote here, for example, sing. The past tense for sing is sang. Okay, we change that I with a, and it's not the same, but it's in the past tense. Okay, and we have feel. In the past tense we said felt. Okay, It's not the same. We are not going to say filled because that's a big mistake. And we have go. We change go to went, okay? So now we are going to have a sentence as a sample. I wrote there, I feel sad. And in the past tense, I felt sad. So basically that's how it works with the irregular verb, okay? Okay.